Hello everyone, how is everyone doing today and how is your week been and how is June been up till now? I know the energies are so intense almost today I forgot to make this entire video. I usually do a card reading, but then I was like, oh, what am I missing and what am I forgetting? And then I was like, oh yeah, I decided to do this thing every weekly. So we'll be drawing two cards today from two different card decks. One is from the Wisdom of Oracle. We'll be drawing a card just to understand what is an overall energy and what is the overall guidance, a collective energy that we all are feeling. And the second will be from healing. From the angels, that to understand what is that one thing, one area of our life that when we heal that, we'll be able to be in a better position in our life and we'll be able to do better. Before moving on to a card reading, I want everyone to understand, to be in a space of holding, space of love and compassion for everyone, because now around the world and especially in India and Maharashtra where I stay, a lot of things are opening up and people are going back to their course of office and everything, and it can be too overwhelming and it can affect your energy and your space too much, because all this time you were in a comfort space where you were with yourself. The only thing that mattered to you was your energy and maybe few people in your family of how they were behaving or treating with you. But now you will be going back into the world, so you need to keep yourself very grounded and very safe as in your mind, where you don't dwell into any fear, or like if somebody is coughing and you instantly feel, okay, now I'm gonna get sick. No, don't get or fall prey to any such fear and feelings. Be with yourself and be gentle with yourself, and understand if you need time to be a little more aloof and little more away with people, it's completely fine. Only because you were in this COVID time, where probably for more than 60 days if you were away with someone or not in touch with someone, and suddenly if up till now Abibi, if you're not feeling that you want to get in touch with people, then it's okay. Take a decision and stick to your decision and respect your feelings first. Thank you so much. Now we'll go to our first card reading. This is the card deck is the Wisdom of Oracle card deck. We'll be drawing a card, understanding what is the overall overarching. Okay, that was like the card is bouncing. Okay, what is the overarching energy that the cards want us to know? Okay, we have a card for the week. Very beautiful. The card for the week is Milk and Honey. This is the card. I usually do attach the photo with the video, so I will be doing that. The card for the week is Milk and Honey. What does milk and honey mean? This card helps us to understand that there is prosperity and there is a beauty and sweetness in life, and also a beautiful balance of life which is coming back to its restoration. So we should have faith. And also, if you look at the energy of honey is like, honeybees, when they make their beehive, every honey bee that it looks similar, although the taste and everything is very different, and the work that honeybees put onto it is very different. And also, if you understand the energy, how honeybees pick that nectar from different flowers, but when it becomes a collective honey energy, that flavor is something that is universally, we can understand, or we can, have the sense of it. So just like that, milk and honey, this card is telling us to know that we can expect, and we can still believe and have faith for all the prosperity that is yet to come, and we should be open to receiving that. Also, clearly saying us that we must stick to our authenticity and how authentic we feel with our energy, and how authentic we feel whenever we want to talk something or we want to take an action. There is also a beautiful rainbow here. So when a person takes a decision or something from a very authentic place, no one else can do anything about it, because the person believes so much in the creation that they have done, or what authentically, they don't want to get into the the rat race, you may say, or only because someone is doing that they don't want to do that. So being authentic to your roots, being authentic to what you believe in, and accepting your creativity and moving from that space is also a very big sign that maybe that space would be a space where you would get more prosperity. And this is an overall very happy prosperity card, so yay to all of us. Of course, there is always abundance coming our way. We are too skeptical to look at it, like with all the pandemic and everything, a lot of people believed कि the jobs are gonna be in risk and there's gonna be so much happening in their life. Although I found like there were few friends of mine who were so happy because they got some increase, or in their payment, or one was specific friend of mine got a special incentive, and it was completely surprising during these times. So don't stick on to fear of what others are saying. It could not be for you. Everybody has a different story and different journey of life. Whatever everyone else is doing is their completely their it's up to their energy or what they are bringing to their life. It could not be for you. So be in your happy space and be in your faith of believing that there is prosperity and abundance coming to you with a complete alignment and balance. Yes, balance. It is. Now, with you see, like, when you see the energies of the world, everybody is saying, like, oh, yeah, Mama Earth is, coming back to its balance. It's repairing. Just like that, when things come back to its balance, there is an energy of restoration and there is an energy of prosperity. Moving on to our next card. This is healing from the angels. We're going to pull a card asking our angels what could be one thing that we could heal in our energy space that would help us to do more better in our life. Let us see what our angels have us to say. Okay. Beautiful. The card that has come is playfulness. Whenever this card comes, it's telling us to look at life from a playful manner, where we have got so serious about everything in life. And if you look at the energies of the world right now, people are very serious with what they want and what they don't want. And people have got so serious about how are they going to survive their life, what is going to happen, like with the economy of the country, with the future of the education. Like everything is, getting too intense and super serious about it. So our angels are telling us, like, the wisdom and the super, like, I can literally feel all the fun right now, that they are telling us that we need to be more playful, we need to have more fun in our life. And when we speak about having fun, it is not like you need to get into a ritual or a routine where you have to force yourself to have fun. It's more like what comes naturally for you to have fun, and you can maybe incorporate small things, like maybe doing some drawing, maybe playing or running outside or walking outside now that it's allowed at some places. Or you can just watch TV that we have already watched too much. But again, if we are looking that, oh my god, I have watched TV and now my time and life is waste, then all the fun has gone completely to a gutter, because you have completely ruined the feeling of having fun watching TV. So have fun, and having fun does not mean that you need to spend money with to do something and have fun. Like, oh, I have to travel and then I will have fun. If you don't have money to travel, then you can sit with yourself and do things. Maybe you can put in efforts and see where can you simply find fun in your life. Also, this card comes up very strongly whenever we as human are forgetting what is happening in our present life, because we are so busy in this fast paced life. We keep on looking at the next thing and whatever is coming next, and so we don't stop to have fun in our present moment. For example, for the first month during this pandemic, everybody was so super stressed. Everybody was like, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna survive? And I was like, why don't you just chill and why don't you just see what you can do being home? Why don't you just have fun? And a lot of my friends was like, oh yeah, like we हमने ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं. We couldn't think this way. It's simply because we are so structured in our head, and there is so much limitation that you can have fun only when you drink, you can have fun only when you go to a party, you can have completely fun when you're traveling somewhere, you can explore only when you have gone to a new place. No, it's not necessary. These are just some basic, maybe bullshit rules. Vishen Lakhali, very well says they are rules that, that has been passed on with time and, our society to us. So understand and see what is fun to you. If cooking is fun to you, if writing is fun to you, if sleeping is fun to you, whatever it is, have fun, add that little fun to your life, and see how that makes you feel. And when you are in that completely fun and enjoying your life phase, then you will feel all the authentic energy that you can instantly connect with the source that you were born with. Because if you see this photo, even the elephant in this photo is having fun. So our angels are telling us so strongly that everything is gonna be balanced and it will be a super prosperous life. So why don't you just have fun and play? So it's a very beautiful energy. Thank you so much. Thank you, our angels and wisdom of Oracle. Moving on to our crystal of the week, there is one specific crystal that I have picked. There are two actually. So one is the green aventurine. This is the tumble of green aventurine that I have. Why green aventurine? Because it helps us with calming and it helps us to heal. And it's also the crystal for our heart chakra. So it helps us to stay balanced even when we are a little hurt in our heart area. So you can see, you can get connected with this particular crystal. Now the shops are open. Maybe you can order some crystals for you, or you can get in touch with me if you want to get any clarity. Which ones do you want, or what works best for you? The second one is this selenite. I have the selenite wand. So this is like the very delicate crystal. It just got broke from here a few days before. But selenite helps us to cleanse our body and bring everything into complete state of light, because this crystal is like a soluble crystal, and it reflects light, and it's a complete cleansing crystal. I have this crystal in a bead form that I wear, and also this is green aventurine, mostly jade. So you can see how you can get connected to this crystal. I will be posting some information about this crystal with the video, so you can either connect with the photo of it, you can look online for its images and connect with the energy of it. And if you are in a position, then do buy some crystal for yourself, because they are great tool to help you with whatever energies that is going around right now in the world. Thank you so much. This was all in about our cards, our crystals, and the energies that we are feeling. We have eclipse coming up on 21st of June, and also summer solstice. I really sometimes get, I don't know how to pronounce it sometimes. Anyways, that's on 21st. I don't think so that comes in this week. So we gonna chill and we are gonna have fun this week, because that is, if you want a reason for having fun or to do nothing and play, then just say, I saw a video and the angels told me to have fun. So that could be your reason. Otherwise, by the way, you don't need validation for whatever you're feeling. If you feel like having fun, then go have fun. If you're feeling like sleeping, go sleep, take rest, restore your energy, be with yourself, whatever makes you feel better and good during this time. Okay? And also during all the time, all your life, in fact. So, thank you so much again for watching this video and sharing all the love that you always share. Please, please, please share this video with your friends and family if they can get any help out of it. And yeah, thank you for supporting this. Like, this is really playful or fun space for me where I make this video. It's like not at all a serious work for me. So thank you so much for building that space where I can just do this and feel completely fine and happy. And yeah, wish you all a very great week, life, and very great time ahead. Please, please be gentle with yourself and understand what your energies are trying to tell you. Thank you so much. And also, a very small minor announcement. I will be announcing some discounts for card reading and or reading, because I think maybe during this time, this could be my contribution for service. So please feel free if you want to take it or if you want to share it amongst your circle, so even they can get it. Thank you so much. See you all next week. Bye.